You are welcome to biophilic cities, estates, and cluster homes. The location where those estates are built, we have Okunja, Ibejuleki, and other locations in Lagos State and Ogun State for the cluster homes. Infrastructures. We have biophilic streets, aromatic health gardens, and walkways. We have biophilic and salutogenic homes inside the estate, central car park and clean energy transport system, central solar electrical generating plants or solar farms, central solar driven water treatment plants, biophilic shopping mall, central health facility, hotels, sports and recreation facilities, central sewage management system. Let's look at the biophilic streets and aromatic walkways. Also, let's look at the homes, the biophilic and salutogenic homes that we want to build in those estates and cluster homes. This is the outside look. If you look at this, you find out that this is not concrete. These are prefabricated materials that have health promoting capabilities. That's what we call biophilicity and salutogenicity. This is the interior look. And let's look at the central car park and clean energy system, transport system. To prevent pollution in the city, residents are provided with centralized car park at the city gates to park their fossil fuel air polluting vehicles. Electric cars and solar driven vehicles are only allowed within the city. Solar taxis and free manual bicycles are available for residents to commute within the city. Electric car charging stations are also available within the city. Solar cars, there are pictures of solar cars. Then we have the solar energy plant or farm. Electricity is provided for the city from solar plants built to power the city. Individuals are allowed to power their homes using solar generators. These are the picture of the solar farm and solar generators. Then the water treatment of the estate. Water provision in the city is centralized through an alkaline organic water treatment plant. These water plants are natural plant models to treat water, not using chemicals. Then we have the waste management system, a centralized organic waste management system that will generate cooking biogas that will be piped into the homes. Then the biophilic shopping mall. Within the city, we have a shopping mall where organic food and clean energy driven household equipment are sold. In the health facility. Within the city, we have provided both primary and secondary healthcare facility. A naturopathic clinic will also be present. Long-term health facilities like Wisdom Age Care Homes will also be made available. Then we have hotels, recreational and sports facilities. We will build a salutogenic 5-star hotel within the perimeter of the city, and also recreational and sports facilities are also provided within the city. Okay, let's look at the proposed prices of this home. The prices here depend on the types of home, the location, and also is the current going market rate in those areas. We have terrace duplexes. There are the 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom. At Okunja is 30 million, Ibejuleki 20 million. 4-bedroom at Okunja is 40 million, Ibejuleki is 30 million. These are the terraces. Then flats, we have 1-bedroom flat, 3-bedroom flat, 2-bedroom flat, and studio apartment. These are the prices as shown in this particular video, in this slide. Then we have bungalows. 3-bedroom bungalow at Okunaja is 20 million. At Ibejuleki is 15 million. Bungalows. Detached duplexes, 3-bedroom, Okunaja is 35 million, Ibejuleki is 30 million. And 4-bedroom, Okunaja is 40 million, Ibejuleki is 23 million. These estates are actually powered by Biophilic Homes Limited in conjunction with Master Build Cooperatives. Thank you.